Okay, in this course, we have discussed the essential items you need to prepare. Today, let's explore how to prepare yourself mentally for the weight loss journey. It is essential to find the inner motivation that will keep you moving forward. First step, find your weight loss motivation. Have you ever wondered why so many people want to lose weight and experts emphasize the negative impact of obesity on health? Is it merely for health concerns? But in nature, animals with more fats have a stronger survival advantage and higher status. So, why are so many people eager to lose weight and want to get in shape? Could it involve complex psychological motivations? Your psychological motivation, the deep reason behind your desire to lose weight. It will be the foundation and long term support for your transformation. Let's begin with a fun little exercise. From a list of 60 over words down here, choose the 10 that resonate with you the most, then select the 3 most important ones from those 10 and create a sentence that represents your weight loss motivation. So, here are the words. For example, let's take two participants. Jack's 10 selected words are strength, freedom, attractive, organization, focus, satisfaction, and creativity. From these, his top three are attractive, organization, and focus. His sentence is I want to be more attractive, focused, and be able to lead others in my organization. So, this indicates Jack's weight loss motivation. Next, Mary's 10 selected words are beauty, health, vitality, success, and satisfaction. Her top three are attractiveness, vitality, and satisfaction. Her sentence is I hope to be vibrant, attractive, and content. So, this sentence indicates Mary's weight loss motivation. Now, it is your turn to go through the same process and let this sentence guide you throughout the course. The results may surprise you. Overcoming self criticism. My initial belief, like many others, was that overweight individuals become obese due to excessive food intake. However, after becoming a coach and having numerous opportunities to interact with overweight clients, I realized that their obesity is not caused by overeating, but rather by a lack of nutritional balance. Overweight individuals often have dietary habits that are high in fat, salt, and sugar. However, their diet is lacking in protein and essential vitamins. Additionally, they tend to consume inadequate amount of water. This dietary pattern is the most common underlying cause of obesity. Many individuals struggling with weight loss face a common problem self criticism and negative self perception. They punish themselves for small indulgence, creating a vicious cycle of emotional eating. This is often linked to perfectionism and unrealistic vision of an ideal self. However, perception doesn't necessarily mean looking flawless, but rather being better than before. Accept that you are not perfect and occasional indulgence are natural. When you recognize your emotions driving you to eat, address the underlying issue. Look for the source of your emotional distress and tackle it head on. Say no to emotional eating. Shift your focus when you feel the urge to eat. Ask yourself whether it's genuine hunger or an emotional response. If it is the later, take the opportunity to identify the emotion causing it. Address the root cause and find alternative ways to cope with your emotions, such as reading, listening to music, or exercising. This will redirect your attention away from food, leading to positive changes in both your weight loss journey and personal growth. Now, you need to learn how to handle um, weight fluctuations. Weight fluctuations during your journey are normal and can be caused by various factors. Don't panic, instead, focus on long term progress. We recommend weighing yourself in the morning after using the restroom, using the same scale, and if possible, weigh yourself without clothes. Remember, your weight will fluctuate and trust in yourself and your efforts. Embrace your imperfections and you will become even more attractive and confident. If you were previously following a weight loss method of completely avoiding food or restricting your food intake, and you feel like you have hit a plateau, joining this program and returning to a regular meal schedule will likely cause a temporary weight increase. When this happens, there's no need to worry too much because it is a natural response to your body previously being in a state of nutritional deprivation. Once you adopt the balanced and nutritious diet we recommend, your weight will naturally start to decrease within a day or two. As with driving, becoming a skilled weight loss practitioner requires patience, resilience, and self compassion. Buckle up, put your foot on the gas pedal, and drive with determination and understanding. Trust in the process, follow the rules, and enjoy a well balanced diet. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are here to guide you and help you become the best version of yourself. Let's begin with this transformation adventure together.